Hi, this is Bill Kemp, also known as the Home Exterior Guru of Kemp Windows. And here today we're going to talk about solar heat gain. That is the heat that you're about to be losing out of your windows coming this winter. Find out how a single pane window, a double pane window, and a triple pane window perform under extreme heat conditions. See you in a second. Okay, today we're going to be using 3 different instruments to test the solar heat gain that comes in through windows. The first is a BTU meter, which measures incidental solar heat. They're going to be using a thermometer, or laser thermometer, I should say. And then you're going to see us use the radiometer. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is test all 3 windows with the BTU meter, which measures incidental solar heat. Now, it's very important to understand that you deal with heat, whether solar heat gain or solar heat loss, in 2 times of the year. Especially now in the wintertime, you're going to be dealing with the heat coming out of the vents, going out of the window. Kind of what we're representing here today is the heat coming into your window, which would be like the summertime. So you have to understand that heat coming in the summertime, your AC works overtime. That heat going out in the wintertime causes your heating system to work overtime. Now, this BTU meter, when we put it up against this window, this is a single pane window that we moved out of our house, and it's registering right around 350 BTUs. That's pretty high. Now, as we move over to the double pane window and put that up there, you see that the BTU meter barely moves. Doesn't even hardly move, okay? Now, when we go over to the triple pane window, where the heat lamp is sitting there, and the BTU meter doesn't move at all. So, when it comes to solar heat gain, you can see that the single pane window is going to dump a lot of heat inside of your home or kick it out. When it comes to a double pane window, barely moves. Triple pane window doesn't move at all. Now we're going to check out the next product. Next we have the laser thermometer. So this thing measures heat wherever you put it at. I'm actually a little 93. I'm almost there. Anyway, when it comes to a single pane window and we shoot this thing cranks up to 150 degrees of heat coming in through your home. That's pretty high. Now, when we move over to the double pane window and we crank that thing up, it registers right around 94 degrees. That's almost like room temperature. We go to the triple pane window and it drops down to 85 degrees. So as you can see, when it comes to heat coming into your home, single pane window, double pane window, triple pane window, you see how effective these products can be when it comes to cutting your heating and cooling bills. This last one is called the radiometer. You might remember this from science class. This is actually a fun little thing. But as the heat hits the white side or the black side, it causes it to spin. And as you can see, I haven't even put it in front of the window yet, and it's just spinning like crazy. So if you could power your home off this radiometer, it would be great to have this heat coming in through your home, but you can't, okay? Now, that's the single pane window. As we move over to the double pane window, you see that the radiometer barely moves. And when we go over to the the triple pane, again, the radiometer barely moves. Now, just for comparison, if we open this window, see how it starts spinning? Because that heat is just pouring right through. When we close that window, it stops. That is the power, folks, of replacing your windows, especially if you have a single pane window with a double pane window versus a triple pane window. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, check us out at kempwindows.com. Also, you can hit us up at 804-780-3800. See you soon.